How you doing? Come on in. This is our 2-bedroom suite at the Kartrite. So as soon as you walk in, this is long hallway, and I'll take you over to the bathroom. The big giant bathroom with double sinks, and the toilet is here, which is a little strange because it hits the door, but it's a big bathroom. It's good. And over here is the shower. And they have the big bottles of conditioner, shampoo, and body wash, which is probably a lot better for the environment. Not using all these little bottles of plastic. And it looks good. And there's a hair dryer. I'm going to use that later on. And
you are?
yes. And
all your hair?
All of it. There's a pretty big closet here. Keep all your stuff. And I'll take you to the girls' room. So this is the double bed.
Hello. Oh, they can't even hear us.
Hello. And there's a mirror in the closet here. This is cool. Got a bed, and a TV. And their view is pretty cool. It's like a forest view when I used to see this in Brooklyn. So a lot of grass. And the air conditioning seems to be working well. Seems like this new kind of system. So that looks good. And this is the living room area. So when we checked in, they brought in cheese, crackers, these giant chocolate chip cookies, which are really good. And they brought us a bottle of wine, a Pinot Noir, which is pretty good. Some milk for the girls. And this is like a little wet bar. The microwave, fridge, ice box, and just some shelving down here. Coffee machine. And I think there's some tea bags in here.
Condiment kit.
And let's see what else. There's a big TV here, and I think this is a fireplace. I don't know if that works, but I don't know, we'll figure it out. And let me take you to the bedroom, and then I'll show you like this big balcony that we have. This is like a pretty cool, we call that a chandelier. And this is our bedroom. Pretty big size, big king bed. The same big closet. Over here, it's got an ironing board, an iron, a big TV here. A single vanity, which should be fine. Some lotion. And bathtub, there's no bathtub, but the shower. The stand-up shower is the same. Looks pretty nice and clean and bright. And, one thing I noticed that's really good. Outlets.
Oh, yes.
USB outlets. Every hotel needs these. I don't know why some hotels don't. It's kind of crazy. And usually they have it on one side, which is silly. They have them on both sides here, which is really good. Okay, and let me show you the balcony. So, pretty big balcony over here.
So it runs all the way from the bedroom all down the living room.
Benches and some storage here, I guess for wet towels. Not sure. And this is the living room with couch here. I don't know if this is a pull-out bed. Oh, it's a pull-out bed. So we wanted to have some more people here. Got plenty of space. I think that's it. So yeah, this is the 2-bedroom at the Kartrite. Looks pretty awesome.